So your resin should have fully cured by now, but it's still soft and a little sticky.
Hello, I'm Rob, and today with Craft Resin, we're breaking down why your resin project didn't fully cure and how you go about fixing it.
Let's start with temperature. Resin cures best at 22 to 25 degrees Celsius, that's 72 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. If your workspace is too cold, the curing process slows down or stops altogether, leaving you with soft or sticky resin. To avoid this, use a space heater or work in a warmer room to keep a stable temperature. Warming your resin before mixing is key, especially in colder environments. Cold resin can become thick and harder to mix properly, leading to curing issues. To prevent this, warm your resin and hardener separately in warm water for a few minutes before mixing. And finally, proper mixing is everything. If you don't stir well enough, unmixed resin or hardener stays in the mix, preventing a full cure. Always stir for at least 3 to 5 minutes, scraping the sides and bottom of your mixing container to make sure everything is fully blended.
So to sum up, keep your workspace warm, pre-warm your resin and hardener separately, mix accurately and stir thoroughly. Follow these steps to get rock hard, perfectly cured resin every single time. And why not let us know in the comments if you've ever had a sticky resin fail.